Hello, welcome to Avio's Journey. My name is Anthony, and this show is about helping voice actors start and grow their voiceover business. I'm very excited today because this is a topic kind of near and dear to my heart. Is time management. You might be thinking, "Wow, that's not a very exciting topic to talk about," but I think it is because I know for me, the times that I have really locked down my time management have been the most productive times and the most successful times I've had in my voiceover business and my life. The times that I have not, and I've kind of been more, let anything happen when it happens, has have been the times where it feels good for a little bit, but then the mess kind of takes over and the productivity goes down. So I want to talk today about time management. First and foremost, it's hard when you are managing a job, when you're managing a family, multiple jobs, all kinds of stuff. That's hard. It's really hard, and don't let anybody pretend that it isn't. Okay, especially if you're going to a full time job, then you're managing your family, and then on top of that, you've got to somehow fit your voiceover business in there. Basically, it's like three full time jobs you're trying to do, and it's exhausting. It can be and tiring. So what I find with time management is it's really important to have one to two main focuses, and that is it. Especially when time is not when you don't have a lot of it. So meaning that their first focus always has to be to get voiceover work. Now I know that's silly because we're like all here to get voiceover work, but what I find is there's many different levels of moving towards voiceover work. Meaning like, working on or watching a tutorial on something on your DAW that makes your voice do something really cool. Okay, that's great, that's nice, and could that lead to work down the road? Yes, but for right now, that's not going to get you work in the next day or two. Okay, what gets you work in the next day or two are auditions. Auditions get you work. Okay. Putting up profiles. So, like when you're first starting your voiceover business, you should prioritize some time to get yourself up on websites and places that are actively marketing you. But the number one thing you have to do is audition. It is a part of what we do. Okay, there's gonna be, and remember, there's gonna be places where you audition and places where you don't, but there's always somewhere to audition. Whether it's on ACX, and I'm a big proponent for that, or Academy Voices, and these are places to start and to get work. You want to have work, so your time management plan has to incorporate every non-negotiable times. So every day you have to be auditioning at least 3 to 5 times a day. And those auditions should be no longer than 10 minutes. Okay? Everything after that is extra. And if you start getting work, which you will if you're auditioning like this, then the work is the other part. You cannot stop auditioning. You must keep auditioning because if you don't and you stop once you get work, you're going to be on this constant roller coaster, right? Like you're getting work, you're auditioning, you get work, you get a job, then you're working, you're auditioning, and then that goes down, and you got to go back up, right? It's just this constant, it's this constant thing of you doing work, not getting work, doing work, not getting work, auditioning, not auditioning. So you have to split that time. Make sure you're getting auditions done. Make sure you are, actively working on the work, but doing auditions. Okay. And in order to increase auditions, this is where your education comes in. That education component can help increase all of your productivity because you have the knowledge. So you spend X amount of time once or twice a week educating yourself. All right, through wherever. I mean, here you're watching videos through VO Journey Academy. All right, the community too. When you have questions and you need quick answers, that's a very valid place because, as you know, even with all these videos and everything out there, it's hard to find things sometimes because we all have like a question right at that moment. So having a community at your fingertips is very important. So make sure you check out a VO's Journey .com or VO Journey Academy below. So it's a really good deal right now too as well to join us for the first month, only $10. But anyways, that's your time management plan. No matter what, scrap everything else and make sure that you are auditioning on a regular basis. And if you still have to learn your DAW and things like that, get with, join the academy, do what you have to do in order to learn it, but then get to auditioning. And that's the number one thing. And when you get work, do the work and then audition. Do those things. All this other stuff is great and fluff, but you don't need it. You need auditioning. All right, leave a comment below, with any questions about that auditioning process and how that time management plan looks. But you can do this if you focus your mind and effort on the right things. Number one, hands down, auditioning is non-negotiable every single day. Every single day. Okay? All right, you guys, have a great, great Tuesday. Watch out, we got a snowstorm coming here, so I'm looking forward to seeing some more snow. I love snow, so but hopefully everything will be okay because it's supposed to be a pretty big storm. So be safe. I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye-bye.